Alright, got the Yak-130 going up again. Go with 1 tick of flaps. Got about a 4-mile-an-hour wind, gusting up to around 7. It's supposed to get windy here in just a short period of time though, so I'll try to get a couple flights in. Full throttle. She lifted up on her own. That was with 0 back pressure. Try a pass in here close in front of us. That pass was right around half throttle. Try it again, but with full speed. Pouring on the coals right now. Getting woggled around up there pretty good. With the breeze, it's picking up a little bit since we took off. Slow pass here in front of us, about 40% throttle. We'll try our vertical out, full speed going up. There, she just ran out. Sorry, no, it's probably out a little far. Still getting the feel for this one. One minute. I had it set for 4 minutes. Make our gear pass. Gears are being deployed now. They're down. 1 tick of flaps. In previous flights with this, she tends to roll in a little hot, a little fast. So I found that putting the flaps on really helped with slowing it down. A little bit of a bounce, but not enough time to go around again, I don't think, on the battery. So we will have to accept that one. Alright, bring the flaps up. On the flap deflection, that looks like a lot, but that's the low, and there's the high. And I do got it on a slow down on the coming down, but bringing them up is about half as slow. Alright, the more I fly this, the more I'm getting used to it and the more I'm liking it. So it's a pretty good value on the sale that they had going on. I think I wound up getting it for, well, it's 15% off of the normal price. Alright, Yak-130, thanks for watching.